Hi guys, Dylan here, and I got my package from Dashes and his Elves. I wonder what's inside. Let's start off with this one. These are really huge. Let's open this one up. It's the Fortnite gun from Fortnite. I like it so much. Look at it. It's huge. Let's see what it looks like inside. I got this gun. I just took this out from the box, and I want to show this to you, and I want to show how to use it. Put the bullets in here, and I think it can hold 4 bullets inside. Show you how fast can shoot. And oh my goodness, it shoots very fast. Let's shoot that target over there and hit it with one of the bullets. We can go. And so next we're gonna open this big package. Let's It's the Power Ranger robot when they were all connected. I got stickers and I got Power Rangers. And let's transform it into a car. This thing is very cool and it's huge. And look at it. Look at this. Arr. And I have very fun with it. I like them both. Thank you, Dashes and his Elves.